Empower your business with lean manufacturing tools. Streamline, optimize, and excel. Greetings from Everyday GMP. I am your presenter from Everyday GMP. This is series of video. We will discuss all the lean manufacturing tools. In this series we will discuss more than 30 lean manufacturing tools. In this video we will cover few lean tools like total productive maintenance value stream mapping, zero quality control and visual factory. Link of other videos are in the description. Further tools are covered in other videos series of lean manufacturing tools video number 8, and this is last video on series. Keep watching all videos, so let's start. Uncover secrets to success. Mastering lean manufacturing. Revolutionize your business. Dive into lean manufacturing excellence. Lean Manufacturing Unleashed. Your gateway to efficiency. Boost productivity. Cut waste. The Lean Manufacturing Revolution. Discover lean. Transforming businesses, one method at a time. Elevate your enterprise. Mastering lean manufacturing tactics. Unlock efficiency. The lean manufacturing journey begins. From waste to wealth. Navigating the lean manufacturing landscape. Lean manufacturing is a systematic approach to optimizing processes and eliminating waste. Empower your business with lean manufacturing tools. Streamline, optimize, and excel. And much so. Let's start to the main presentation. Total productive maintenance. Maximize efficiency. Minimize downtime. TPM excellence in action. TPM aims to improve the reliability and performance of equipment. By implementing the key elements of TPM, companies can achieve significant benefits, such as reduced downtime, increased availability, improved performance, and reduced costs. Benefits of TPM: increased overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, reduced downtime, improved product quality, enhanced employee involvement and skills, cost savings, optimized inventory management, increased equipment lifespan, enhanced safety, cultural transformation, improved customer satisfaction. Few examples of TPM: total productive maintenance, in action. Daily equipment checks. Operators conduct regular checks on machines before and after each shift to identify and address minor issues before they escalate. Autonomous maintenance. Empowering operators to handle routine maintenance tasks, such as cleaning, lubricating, and inspecting equipment, ensuring it operates at peak efficiency. Early equipment management, EM. Integrating maintenance considerations during the design and installation of new equipment to ensure reliability and ease of maintenance. Training and skill development. Providing training programs to equip employees with the necessary skills and knowledge to operate and maintain equipment effectively. Value stream mapping. Visualize, optimize, thrive. Navigating success through streamlined processes. VSM uses a visual diagram to map the flow of materials and information through a process. The goal of VSM is to identify and eliminate waste in the process. VSM is a valuable tool for any company that wants to improve its efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. VSM uses a visual diagram to map the flow of materials and information through a process. The goal of VSM is to identify and eliminate waste in the process. VSM is a valuable tool for any company that wants to improve its efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. Benefits: enhanced visibility, waste identification, process efficiency, lead time reduction, inventory reduction, improved quality, employee engagement, better communication and collaboration. Some examples for VSM value stream mapping: VSM, is a pivotal tool in lean manufacturing, offering a visual representation of the entire production process. It meticulously outlines steps from raw materials to end products, enabling organizations to identify inefficiencies and streamline operations. By mapping the current state, businesses uncover bottlenecks and waste. Analyzing this data leads to a future state map, illustrating optimized processes. VSM promotes collaboration among teams, fostering a shared understanding that drives targeted improvements, reduces lead times, and enhances overall productivity in lean manufacturing practices. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay. If you have any questions or want to share your journey, leave a comment below. Zero quality control, zero defects, infinite perfection. Your quality journey starts here. Zero quality control aims to achieve zero defects by preventing mistakes from happening in the first place. ZQC is based on the following principles. Design for quality. Designing products and processes that are less likely to produce defects. Prevention. Focus on preventing defects from happening, rather than on detecting and correcting them after they occur. Employee involvement. Active participation of all employees in the quality process. Continuous improvement. ZQC is a continuous improvement process that is always looking for ways to improve quality. Benefits. Perfection in every product. Achieve zero defects, ensuring every product meets the highest quality standards. Cost reduction. Minimize costs associated with defects, rework, and customer complaints, leading to significant savings. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Consistently deliver high-quality products, increasing customer trust and satisfaction. Process optimization. Identify and eliminate root causes of defects, optimizing processes for efficiency and effectiveness. Operational excellence. Cultivate a culture of quality and continuous improvement, driving excellence across the organization. Resource optimization. Reduce waste, both in materials and labor, by preventing defects. And rework, leading to resource optimization. Brand reputation. Build a strong brand reputation for quality, fostering customer loyalty and positive word of mouth. See efficiency. Visualize success. Your lean journey unfolds here. It uses visual tools to improve communication and visibility in the workplace. Visual Factory is based on the following principles. Visibility. Make information easily accessible to everyone in the workplace, using signs, labels, and other visual aids to communicate information about the status of work, quality, and other important aspects of the production process. Communication. Effective communication between all employees in the workplace. This includes communicating about problems, solutions, and other important information. Continuous improvement. A continuous improvement process that is always looking for ways to improve communication and visibility in the workplace. Benefits of Visual Factory Lean Tool. Waste reduction. Identifies and eliminates waste by visualizing the flow of materials, reducing excess inventory, transportation, and motion waste. Problem solving. Visual tools aid in problem solving by making issues apparent, enabling quick identification and resolution of production bottlenecks. Standardization. Facilitates the standardization of processes and procedures, ensuring consistency and quality in the output. Training and onboarding. Simplifies training for new employees by providing clear, visual instructions, speeding up the onboarding process. Data-driven decisions provides visual data that can be analyzed to make informed decisions, guiding strategic planning and continuous improvement. Benefits of Visual Factory Lean Tool. Enhanced communication. Visual factory tools facilitate clear and immediate communication, ensuring everyone understands processes and goals. Real-time monitoring enables real-time tracking of production metrics, allowing prompt responses to issues and opportunities for continuous improvement. Error reduction. Visual cues minimize human errors, improving accuracy and reducing the likelihood of mistakes in production processes. Improved efficiency. Streamlined workflows and visual instructions lead to faster production cycles, optimizing overall operational efficiency. Employee engagement engages employees by providing a visual representation of their work, fostering a sense of ownership and pride in their contributions. That's all for today's video on lean manufacturing tools. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay. If you have any questions or want to share your journey, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for your goals.